Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use bonus bets on ESPN Bet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Bonus bets are sports book specific reward. Once you have earned a bonus bet, you can view them under my account page in app by selecting the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From here you will see a bonus bet section under rewards, which once selected will display your available bonus bets. So you can see a screenshot right here under the reward details section. Here you will find the option that says bonus bet. Simply click on it, and then all you gotta do is just scroll between available options and then select one of the options. Now once selected, you can also see your available bonus bets directly on your bet slip when placing a sportsbook wager. It's up to you whether you like to redeem a bonus bet to place a wager or save it to redeem another time before the bonus bet expires. Now to place a wager using bonus bet, select the rewards available button on your bet slip, and then drop down menu with the available bonus bets will appear. If a bonus bet is drop down menu cannot be chosen, a selection in your wager doesn't meet all the criteria outlined in the reward for it to be redeemed. For details regarding the specific criteria for each bonus bet, refer to reward details outlined in your account section to redeem the bonus bets for the available option or choices. As you can see here, you can also select the bonus bet by simply clicking on the option of the bonus bet, and then your bonus bet will be added. And all you gotta do now is just click on the place bet option and your bonus bet will be added to your bet as well. So that's basically how you can do it and how you can use the bonus bets. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.